guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove pro features from your video in CapCut PC. So to remove it, for instance, you have this video here and you place the effects inside. You're just going to click on the video. If you didn't place it on top of the video like this, where you can just delete it, select the video, go to effects here, select the pro effects that you put on, and then you're just going to press this delete button and it's going to remove all the pro features. Same with all the other features you've used, you can just remove it by doing that. Same with filters as well, but that is how you can remove pro from your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.